Islanders, welcome back to another video. After redemption today, after my last paddleboard camping mission, so I've decided to break out the kayak. This thing is a purpose-built sea fishing kayak. It's got everything, all the attachments, all the rod holders, you name it. We are good to go. We've got various different types of spinners and lures, so I am hopeful. As you can see, conditions could not be better. Spoke to somebody this morning who'd been out and he caught some pollock, some cod, and even reeled in a couple of dogfish. Let's get out there. Tide's just on its way out, so when I come back I'll probably have to come back via the beach. The yacht's actually sitting on its keel. Just look at those conditions. I don't think it's ever been that good before while I've been out here. Just spotted a few mullets in the harbour here. Too small really to have a cast on. Push out past these harbour walls. We'll see how we get on. Prime dolphin conditions. You never know, it is basking shark season as well. This is the life. Got a few ducks over there, bobbing around. So for anyone that doesn't know, this is Laxey Bay on the Isle of Man, where I live. My house is just up there. I'm very fortunate to live somewhere so close to the sea. I'm going to push on a little bit further out and we'll have a cast. Absolute perfect conditions. If you look up to those rocks up there, that's where I camped in the commando tent. Unbelievably good. The visibility is really good, but I'm not seeing any fish out here, which is very unusual. I keep casting and we'll see how we get on. Okay, I'm going to push up around these rocks, see what's around there. Funnily enough, the guy I was speaking to who'd just been out kayaking said he found an old spinner in his shed covered in rust, and he was out catching all sorts. So I've got all sorts of spinners and my quint shark hat. Got to have some success out here, boys. There's only one thing for it: aerial surveillance. Let's see what's happening around here, and if nothing else, it's good to scope out basking sharks. Let's send it. Okay, I'm going to switch it up. We're going to go for the green one. See how that goes now we're a little bit closer to the rocks. Gonna have another cast with this spinner and I'm gonna try something else. Had a good bite there, but I'm not seeing anything in the water. Essentially, look, just trawl. So that'll hang behind the kayak and we'll just trawl it back over around this coast. not catching anything obviously, but not at the moment. I think we'll try live bait next time, but we'll carry on, we'll persevere. Let's try this one. Okay, so we're trolling again now, and I'm going to push out to deeper water where I know the guys catch the dogfish, bigger fish. I've seen some fish jumping over yonder, so I'll push on out past this private buoy that I'm nearby, and we'll have another go. I'm not taking this lightly, that I'm not catching anything, but something I'm going to improve on, obviously. Keep learning. Okay, we've got bait fish jumping here to my right. We're going for it. Stand by. Bait fish, have me. Okay, I know where I need to be now. Right into the bait fish that was. Check out these sand eels. There's so much in the water already. Absolutely surrounded. We're just trolling again, probably about 400 to 500 meters offshore now, so we're in deeper water. This is my current fishing playground, so the bait fish have stopped jumping around here. Don't know if that's a good thing or not, but I think my spinner stands a better chance without thousands of them in the water. So I'll have another cast in this direction. We'll have another potter around. Quick viz check. Might be an interesting one for the warrior. Come out here, do a bit. See the rope going down. Right, I'm going to bring her in closer to the harbour wall where I seen the fish on the way out, because I've not seen much since. Have a little cast around there, and then we're still trolling all the way back in with the rod here. Nice little rod holders. And they say Britain isn't beautiful. Look at this sea, it's amazing here. Could be in the Mediterranean or the Caribbean right now, other than the lack of fish. The bait fish. Check this out. Not good. Not caught a thing. Loads of bait fish here though. I've had a few bites, but nothing at all. Just a spinner, yeah. Normally alright round here, to be fair.
Is it?
Yeah, are you doing a bit? Have you got a fishing rod there, have you? Or?
Nah. There's no kingfish, no snapper, no kahawai, nothing to chase me. How long have you been out for?
2 hours.
Alright. Good bit of fun though, eh?
Yeah, so you got the GoPro there. You always got to have it, haven't you?
Yeah, I jacked off going to work this morning. Well, I got to the job and I said to the guy, "It's too nice." He goes, "Yeah." I said, "I feel like going kayaking and paddleboarding."
Well,
and shit. And he
yeah,
goes,
I mean, I've probably got
on."
about half an hour to get back. The missus has got me job stacked. I've got to do the hedges.
Yeah.
Oh well, good on you. Anyway, mate, nice to meet you, Matt.
You too, mate.
You're on YouTube now, anyway.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant.
Righto.
How not to catch a fish.
That is currently how my fishing appears to be going. This is the third outing without anything. I need to rethink it. So that New Zealand fella then just told me there's a load of cod over here. So let's have a cast. Perfect conditions for paddleboarding anyway.
Hey, not bad. Even if you're not catching a fish, it's better than
Be nice with a fish to cook before, wouldn't it? Another episode of How Not to Fish with Matt. Well, hey, I'm ever hopeful we will get the big uns. I just haven't seen much around, to be fair. I think I've seen 3 fish the entire time I've been out, other than the bait fish. So I'm going to bring her back in now. I've got jobs to do. The missus has got me on the hedges, which started 25 minutes ago, so tempting to get back in before the tide gets too low. It's not too bad though. Well, as always, thanks for joining me on this adventure. There'll be plenty more sea adventure missions. See you on the next one, guys.